Welcome back for another glorious math lesson. I know these are getting long. Some of this area perimeter stuff, some of these lessons we would have been splitting into probably a couple days, but we just have a lot of things to cover. So I know it's just a lot for us to do, but thanks everybody for just keeping up with this. You're doing fantastic. So we're going to start by reading our goal again. Today, it's that I can calculate, ready? I can calculate the area and perimeter of different shapes. Remember that the word calculate means total. When we're doing perimeter, we are adding the sides. We're doing area, we are doing length times width. And remember, I always think about area and perimeter like a pool. So perimeter is that fence around a pool. Like I've been saying, the park by our house where we live, there's a pool there. They put this fence around the pool to make sure it's really safe. Well, that fence is the perimeter. And then the inside is the area. That's where the fun is, right there. So that's perimeter and area. Perimeter, distance around, area, the inside. So just to let you know, we are going to be taking a quiz tomorrow, and one of the questions is, what is perimeter and what is area? Well, perimeter is just the distance around a shape. In area is the amount of space inside it, like how big it is on the inside. And we're going to be calculating or finding those totals of area and perimeter using multiple strategies. And today I'm going to be showing you a couple different ways to find area. This is also one of your quiz questions tomorrow too, so pay super close attention. If you have not done it yet, off of Schoology, your first page is page 343, Send it to Notability. Okay, so the way we're going to be doing this today is we're going to be decomposing. Basically what that means is we're going to break these into smaller, we're going to make these shapes into smaller rectangles to make them a little bit easier to work with. So for this one, you definitely are going to probably want to stop the video, go to some of your own work, come back, then do some work, come back to the video, watch a little bit more, go back and forth between it. That might make it easier. You can watch the whole video, do your work page, and then kind of go back and check it too. But I will show you how to, I'm going to basically kind of show you a couple of these examples on this one. Then I'll let you finish. Then you can come back and then kind of check it against mine. Okay, so for this first one, I have to figure out, okay, where can I split this into two parts? Well, if I draw a line right there, that looks like two kind of even parts, one big rectangle and one little square. Now, one way to find area is I can just count all the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I know that this is going to be 16. 16 square, we'll just say inches. Or I could just say square units, but because that is one way to find area. Just count how many squares there are. Because remember, area, when I'm trying to compare, perimeter is the outside, the distance around something, how far it is around the outside, area is how much space is inside, how big it is on the inside. So I can just count how many squares there are on the inside. And even with question number 2, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Or no, I'll make sure I did that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, no, I almost screwed that up. It's counted way too fast. 11 square. I can say units, or I could just say inches. Okay, so that's one way to do it. But what I just wanted us to do today, besides doing it that way, because you can count all those squares, I just want to teach you how to do the decomposing. So going back to this, I already drew that line to cut into two parts. So I can just do one big long equation with this. Now you're going to have to kind of try to squeeze some of this stuff in on your paper as best as you can. Or, Notability, you can go to like other pages and stuff too. So going back to some of those questions where we can split, where there was two different colors, and I can find out what the area is by splitting them into those parts. Well, I know that the top here is 3, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for this big rectangle, it's 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. And for my small little rectangle, it's 2 is my length, 2 is my width. 2 times 2 is 4. And then I just have to do 12 plus 4 equals 16. Okay, so it is still 16 square inches. Cool. Because all I had to do is just split it into 2 parts, and then I just have to find the area of those 2 small parts. Okay, now I'm going to go to this one over here. Well, I can see a nice line cut right there. Okay, so I'm going to find the area for this long, skinny rectangle. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is my length. 1 is my width, because it's just 1. So that's 5 times 1 equals 5 for that area, because length times width. The length times width. In this small rectangle, it's 2, looks like it's 2 across, so it's going to be 2. Oh, I changed it to blue by accident. 2 times, and my width is 1, 2, 3, so 2 times 3 equals 6. So then 5 plus 6 equals 11. Oh, not 5 plus 6 equals 11. So it's 11 square inches. Cool. I'm going to show you just one more here. Okay, again, I can just count all the squares to find area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So that one is 21 square. I'm just going to write it right here so I don't forget. So it's 21 square inches. But now I'm going to do it by decomposing, just to see if I get the same answer. Got to split it. Where could I draw that split line? I could draw the split line right there, or I could draw the split line right there. Kind of up to you. I'm going to do that one. So my length here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. My width is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I have 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay, so that's for the bigger rectangle. This little one, the length is 3, the width is 2, because 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and then 15 plus 6 equals 21. Look at it's the same, so I can count all the squares, or I can decompose it like that. So this answer then is 21 square inches. Cool. I'm going to pause the video here. You can do the rest of this sheet and then come back and check it.